Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Uma. Do you ever catch a glimpse of a beautiful rose? Its petals soft and vibrant, its scent sweet and lingering, and feel a rush of warmth, love, or simple joy in your heart? Wanting to describe that moment, share it with someone special, or express feelings of affection, admiration, or friendship? But when you try in English, the words feel too plain or limited, holding back the full bloom of emotion you long to convey. Like you're handing a red rose to a loved one on Rose Day, February 7th, the first day of Valentine's Week, when the world celebrates love in all its forms with these timeless flowers. Or admiring a garden full of roses in different colors, each carrying a message of passion, gratitude, or caring, but your English vocabulary stays basic, making your expressions feel less colorful and heartfelt than the roses themselves. Maybe you've dreamed of a charming, rose-filled story that not only delights your senses, but unlocks new English words naturally. Words for beauty, emotions, love, and giving, so you can talk about flowers, feelings, and special days with poetry, warmth, and confidence. Perhaps you've tried love or flower lessons in English, only to find them too cheesy, too short, or missing the romantic spark that makes learning bloom. If you're nodding along right now, feeling that familiar mix of love for roses and special days mixed with the wish to express their magic richly in English, this episode is made just for you. Crafted with tenderness, romance, and blooming inspiration to make your learning as beautiful as a rose garden. Today, we are celebrating Rose Day on February 7th with something enchanting, heartwarming, and vocabulary-rich, something that can fill your English with the fragrance of love and beauty. We're talking about Learn English on 7 Feb, Rose Day Story, a blooming vocabulary tale of love and kindness. We'll explore this joyfully and thoroughly with a complete romantic story told in clear English, packed with highlighted vocabulary words related to roses, emotions, and affection, bolded for easy learning and delight. Uplifting insights on why roses and love stories make English irresistible, practical tips to master the words while savoring the romance, common challenges with sweet solutions, reflective prompts to connect personally, and step-by-step ways to use the story for ongoing growth, turning your practice time into a rose-scented English adventure right away, so you can describe beauty vividly, express love warmly, and make your English bloom with the elegance and passion of roses on this special day. My friend, let me be straight with you from the heart. With the soft, romantic glow that Rose Day on February 7th brings to hearts around the world, learning English through a Rose Day story isn't about formal rules or cold lists. It's about letting the timeless symbol of the rose, delicate yet strong, fragrant yet silent, beautiful in every color, carry words of love, kindness, and emotion into your English naturally, helping you express affection, admiration, gratitude, and joy with the grace and depth these flowers inspire. It's not about plain descriptions that miss the magic. It's not about avoiding romance to be practical. It's not even about perfect sentences right away. That's not the roses way. No, it's about allowing one blooming story to weave vocabulary seamlessly. Words like petal, thorn, bouquet, and blossom appearing in context, so you feel their tenderness, understand their layers, and remember them through smiles and heartwarming moments. Because when you learn English this way on Rose Day, beautiful things unfold. Your vocabulary grows with words perfect for love, beauty, and emotions. Your listening tunes to romantic rhythms and descriptions, and your speaking becomes more expressive and touching, helping you share feelings, give compliments, or celebrate relationships with the warmth they deserve. Think about it deeply for a moment, letting the fragrance linger. Imagine gifting a rose and saying, "This crimson rose shows my passion," or "yellow for friendship," making hearts bloom with your words. You can learn daily phrases later. You can explore idioms another time. You can master conversations when ready. But without rose-inspired stories, if you stick to neutral words, romance fades. You can't build heartfelt English without beauty's touch. Every word in this story now is a petal of inspiration, making your English softer, sweeter, and yours. Now, I'm not here to make this overly sentimental or complicated. This is pure celebration of love in all forms: romantic, friendly, familial, self-love. I just want you to grasp something vital and empowering. Romantic, flower-filled stories like this unlock English best because they combine emotion with language, making words bloom in your memory through joy and connection, as millions celebrate Rose Day every February 7th with gifts of roses symbolizing everything from deep love to pure admiration. Every day offers moments for this, like morning rose thoughts or evening sharing. What you do with them, savor the story or skip, shapes your words, warmth, and English romance. If you think love topics are too light for practice, you're missing their depth. They touch like nothing else. But here's the blooming part, the heart of this episode. You can learn English romantically right now, celebrating Rose Day with this story. The Blooming Story, The Secret Garden of Roses, Rose Day Tale. In a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there was a hidden garden where roses grew in every color: crimson red for passion, snowy white for purity, sunny yellow for friendship, and gentle pink for gratitude. The garden belonged to an old woman named Rosa, who tended it with tender care. Her roses were exquisite, their petals velvety and dewy, releasing a fragrant scent that made hearts flutter. One February morning, a shy young man named Arjun passed by. He was in love with a girl named Leela, but too nervous to speak. Seeing the garden, he hesitated, then knocked. "May I buy a rose?" he asked bashfully. Rosa smiled wisely. "Roses are not just flowers, they carry messages. What do you wish to say?" Arjun blushed. I admire her." Rosa picked a vibrant pink rose. "This says gratitude and affection." Arjun took it, feeling hopeful. On Rose Day, February 7th, he gave it to Leela with a nervous smile. "For you," he said. Leela's eyes sparkled. "It's lovely. Pink means sweet thoughts." Word spread about Rosa's garden. Friends exchanged bouquets, red for romantic love, yellow for cherished friendship. Children gave white to teachers for respect. Even strangers shared roses, spreading kindness. The village bloomed with happiness. Rosa revealed her secret. Roses have thorns to protect beauty, but we choose to see the bloom. Like love, it has challenges, but the fragrance is worth it. On every Rose Day, the garden became a place of celebration, reminding all, give roses, give love. The end. Bolded vocabulary words: nestled, hidden, exquisite, velvety, dewy, fragrant, flutter, hesitated, bashfully, vibrant, blushed, hopeful, sparkled, lovely, exchanged, bouquets, romantic, cherished, respect, shared, kindness, happiness, thorns, bloom, celebration. My friend, did the story make your heart bloom? These words add romance. To master them sweetly, 16 ideas. First, read, listen 3 times. First for charm, second for words, third for feelings. Second, repeat romantic lines. It's lovely. Third, personal rose. I give roses for kindness. Fourth, visualize garden. See velvety petals. Fifth, retell romantically. Add your rose day. Sixth, your why. To express love beautifully. Seventh, group by color or message. Red, romantic. Yellow, cherished. Eighth, daily bloom. Use one word for affection. Ninth, synonyms. Fragrant equals scented. 10th, draw roses, label words. 11th, share rose message. Tell someone. 12th, journal love. What makes me happy? 13th, quiz romance. Match words. 14th, extend garden. Then argin. 15th, real day. Roses meanings. 16th, celebrate. Imagine gifting a rose. Clarify, love in every word. Ask, did romance grow? Tale, teacher, roses like English bloom with care. I know your English blossoms. Challenge, read 3 times, retell with 15 words. Share favorite. You're learning romantically now. Brave. This story, your rose. Decide. I believe. Breathe, bloom. Thank you for romantic practice. Proud. Keep loving. See you next. Take care. Happy Rose Day. Spread love.